Our strategy seeks to broaden the scope of marine scientific solutions. We really believe that good science can be accomplished by our scientists, collaborating across disciplines and co-creating knowledge across borders, across boundaries, using inclusive models that fully understand and reach local contexts.
Your Excellencies, Honourable Ministers and their representatives, Deputy Executive Mayor Jack, the WIOMSA Board, distinguished guests and all other delegates. My name is Janine Osborne. I'm the CEO Designate of Sustainable Seas Trust, and alongside my team, we would love to welcome you to the Nelson Mandela Bay.
So thank you very much for all of you for being here. Welcome to Nelson Mandela Bay. You have honored us in many ways when you chose to hold your symposium here. We are going to be direct beneficiaries of your deliberations.
And I also want to thank the pioneers of the symposium. Many of them are here today. And without setting a very strong foundation of WIOMSA and the symposium, I don't think we would be talking about the 12th symposium today. We want to thank the UN General Assembly of the UN Decade of Ocean Science for declaring this decade the Decade of Ocean Science.
The next country is Mauritius.
The second recipient of the Presidential Award is a very special person. We believe that he needs to take a seat on the stage as he comes. That is Dr. Julius Francis.
Thank you very much, all of you. It has been a pleasure to work with you all. And you have all given me all the support that I need. And I'll do the same to the current leadership of the association.